Nakuha ako sa MasterChef. Sabi pala niya sa akin, pag hindi ka nanalo dyan, pakasalan mo na ako ah. Ganon. Ganon siya.
You guys were married for 10 years?
10 years, yeah. It wasn't perfect, but I was so blessed to experience a love like that. Yung everyday, you know that this person loves me and will do everything and anything for me. When the Lord took him, I felt like I was robbed. Yung parang everything was taken away from me and my son. Sabi ng doctor na cancer. Tinanong siya ng doctor, so how are you? Sabi niya sa doctor, win-win naman ako, doc eh. If I win this battle here on earth, makakasama ko pa yung pamilya ko. But if it's my time already, if the Lord is calling me back home, wala rin namang mas masarap pa dun, diba? From the very start, up to the last breath, alam ko na hindi nag-waver yung faith ni John. God is so good. He is all we need. Tutulungan ka niya.
Welcome to the Soul Podcast, Tita Soul Podcast, Tita
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
For those of us who don't really know you, do you mind introducing yourself a little bit?
Okay, my name is Con. I was named after my lola. My lola was a film director. During the 60s, I think, mga ganyan. Isa siya sa parang first film director. So, yun. And then, even my father, he was also a film director.
What are their names po?
Ricardo Bebong Osorio. He used to do action movies, ganyan.
Galing.
Yun. So, anyway, I am Con Osorio Coson. I'm a mother. I have one child. I'm a full-time artist as well.
Oh my gosh.
Ayun.
Amazing.
Yeah, and today
Yeah.
you brought one artwork, but it's not by you.
Yeah, it's not by me, but by my son.
Your wonderful son. Very, very
Yeah.
talented.
That's Eustace. It's actually him daw.
That's him?
Oo, that's him. Tapos,
Self-portrait.
dedicated yan sa daddy niya kasi patriotic yung daddy niya. So, nakabarong yung ano niya, yung artwork niya.
Oh my God, my Philippine flag pa nga. This is digital using
Yes,
acrylic.
acrylic. Yes, a mixed media art. Yeah.
It's amazing. And he's just 10 years old pa lang, no?
10.
And he already has all of this talent. Thank you for bringing this over, Tita. It's the
Thank
perfect
It's so cute.
centerpiece.
Yeah. For you, Tita, what type of art do you make?
I do glass painting.
Glass painting.
Yeah,
Wow.
glass painting. So, it's a mix. It's mix of modern and traditional and classic art. But I paint anywhere.
Oh.
Like, whatever it is that I can paint on, I will paint on it. Ganyan.
Wow. So it doesn't have to be a canvas. Parang everything
parang not it doesn't have to be the usual canvas.
Right now, you are a full-time artist.
Yes,
But
and a-
before
and a
you
mom.
became...
Yes,
and a mom, of
full-time
course.
artist,
Full-time
full-time
mom.
mom.
Yeah.
But before that, when we got to know each other a little bit, you kind of took us through your journey. You were part of Pinoy Dream Academy and
Yeah.
Master Chef as well. Do you mind taking us through that journey?
Wala pinawisan.
No pressure.
Oo, no pressure. Hindi. Briefly lang, no, about Pinoy Dream Academy. It was announced on national television that I made it as one of the top 16 finalists. But I had a manager at that time and he had other plans for me. So I wasn't really able to join the competition. The experience was cut short. But it was still fun. And then with MasterChef naman, yun talaga, I really wanted that. I love cooking. My mama, she's my idol in cooking eh. So, I wanted to make her taste my food, my dishes. Kaya ako sumali doon. Kasi, I saw this ad nga that there's this audition for MasterChef. And then I said, sasali ako dyan. And then, sabi ni mama, ha? Marunong ka ba magluto? Sabi ko, sasali ako dyan, ma. Mag-audition ako. I got in, and doon talaga I was able to participate as one of the finalists, top 16 finalists. I didn't win, but it was really a great experience. Yung personal goal ko that to gain my mom's trust in the kitchen, na-achieve ko yun.
So na-shock siya.
Yeah,
Tita.
but and you know, I saw how proud she was nung, alam mo yun, seeing me there,
Yeah.
yung moment na yun.
But I feel like you live such different lives, Tita. You,
I did.
You really
I do.
did.
I still do.
Still do,
I
for
still
sure.
do, yeah.
As a full-time mom.
Yeah. Iba-iba. Different seasons talaga.
Opo.
Different journey. Yan. In every season, in every journey, I know that the Lord, He's just always there.
Opo.
He's with me.
Which season would you say is your favorite, Tita?
Parang in every season kasi, there's something great.
Yeah.
And there's something, not that great. Wala akong favorite season.
Mm-mm.
Yun, siguro more of thankful, very thankful season. Yung season na yun, of course, nung nandito pa yung husband ko.
Yeah.
Yun. Yun, siguro. Sige, pwede ko na rin sabihin favorite season ko yun. But
Yeah.
more of really thankful.
Opo.
Yeah.
What was your husband's name po ulit?
John.
John.
Yeah, John Cornelius. So my son, he's named after his dad.
Oh.
That's
Yeah.
so
Tell us po about
cutie.
Tito John. What was your love story?
John and I were batchmates in college. Pero at that time, we were both in a long-term relationship. Magkaiba.
Oh, okay.
So, alam mo yun, hindi kami nagpapansinan, hindi kami
Opo.
friends, ganyan. Pero, gwapo kasi siya eh.
Yeah.
Papakitawan ko yan ng picture. Basta,
Yes.
ayan.
She was caught.
Aww.
Oh, wow.
He looks like Paolo Avellino?
Matangkad siya eh.
Artistahin.
Medyo ganun siya. Matangkad, tapos maganda yung niya, physique niya, ganyan. But, hindi kami friends. Nakikita ko lang siya, ganun. There was this one encounter lang sa school na parang may batchmate kami na parang hinila ako kasi friend ko yun. Sabi niya, uy, John, sabi niya ganyan. Nakalala mo na ba yung girlfriend ko? Tapos parang sabi niya, ha, girlfriend mo yan, girlfriend ko rin yan eh. Ganyan siya. Tapos parang ako, tapos umalis na ako. Yun na yung encounter namin nung college. That was it.
Foreshadowing.
And then, after 10 years, nagkaroon ng reunion.
Wow, after 10 years.
After 10 years, he organized a reunion. And then, we saw each other again. Tapos, in the dining table. Literal habang kumakain ako ng chicken. As in, kumakagat ako ng chicken. Sabi niya, ganda mo pala, no? Ganon. As in, ako parang, ha? Kasi kumakagat ako. Habang I was savoring my chicken. And then,
Mid-kagat.
I was savoring my chicken. And I was like, ganda mo pala na, ha? And di namin makalimutan yun. At like, pinag-uusapan namin yun. And hindi niya daw sinasadyan masabi out loud yung nasa isip niya. Kasi parang he was watching me eat nung time na yun. So,
Nadulas lang siya,
oo.
tita.
And then, we started talking. And then, nalaman namin that we were both same faith. We have the same faith. Tapos he asked where I go. And then sabi ko, Victory. And then siya, CCF daw siya, ganyan. And then, parang the whole night, we were talking about our faith. Yun. Tapos, grabe yung faith niya kay God. So I told my mom about him. Sabi ko, Ma, alam mo, I have this classmate. They used to be like this. Kasi puntahan yung bahay nila sa San Lorenzo eh. Parang party place yung bahay nila ng college eh. Ganon. And then, sabi ko, this is what happened to them. Ganyan. After all the things that happened to their family, to him, what they went through. But you know what? His faith is like this. Ganyan. Tapos my mom, wala siya nakikitang picture ni John. So, hindi niya alam kung ano itsura, di ba? But parang bigla niya lang sinabi sa akin, parang siya na yung pinagpipray ko para sa'yo. Sabi niya yung ganon. Parang ako, wait lang, di mo pa nga nakikita. What if maliit siya? What if maliit di ba? Gusto ko matangkad eh. So, what if di siya pogi? Di siya gwapo. So, anyway, sabi ni Mama, parang siya na yung pinagpipray ko para sa'yo. Sabi niya ganon. But anyway, I will go back there later.
Yes.
Kasi ang galing ng prayer ni Johnny. So, after that reunion, we started talking na every day and then he would always visit me. Talagang every day pupunta siya sa bahay. For 1 month yan. Until dumating yung time na pinapaalam niya na ako sa parents ko kung pwede niya akong ligawan.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and nakakatawa kasi when he asked my father, natawa yung papa ko na parang, ha? Ang tanda na niya. I was 29 at
Hindi
that
na
time.
necessary.
I was already 29 at that
Opo.
time. So parang, okay. Siya na lang tanungin mo. Parang ganun yung sabi. But he just really asked my parents if okay lang po ba if I will pursue your daughter, ganyan. So, syempre na-in-love yung parents ko agad sa kanya. Na
course.
parang,
Sobrang romantic.
wow.
Yeah,
Oo, na
gentleman.
parang, meron siyang journal. Nagde-devotional siya everyday, diba? Pinakita niya sa akin na meron siyang prayer. Nakalagay doon. Pag sinabi ng mom, ng girl, na ako yung para sa anak niya, without him talagang courting pa, pursuing pa, sabi niya, then I will marry her.
What? Oh my God.
So,
Sobrang specific.
oo, kasi parang naalala daw niya yung story ni Isaac and Rebecca. Tapos sobrang ano pa siya, dire-relate niya na yung pangalan ng mama ko, Rebecca, ganyan.
Oh my God.
So, kilig na kilig siya dun sa, sabi niya, kasi I told him na
Yes,
parang, of course, we were kind of praying for each other already at that time, di ba? So, I told him, you know what, my mama had this, na kahit di ka pa niya nakikita, she told me na parang baka ikaw na yung pinagpa-pray niya para sa akin, ganyan. Tapos yun, tapos he showed me his journal. Sabi niya,
Journal na tayo.
Magja-journal na din.
so yun yung,
that's
that's
so
how it started.
sweet.
It all
Yeah.
started, yeah.
That's
But,
amazing.
you know, we were both new at that time sa faith namin. So, there was this, we fell into sin. So, we broke up because we really wanted to make it right kay God. Wala kaming contact. Yung parang talagang, we allowed God to move in our lives. Na parang, if it's His will, then He will make a way for us to get back together. Meron ng mga parang nagpo-pursue din sa akin, ganyan. Tapos siya rin, parang meron na rin siyang pwede, yung parang pwede ko ipag-pray, ganyan. Siguro mga 9 months din yun na wala kaming So, alam mo yung feeling mo wala na, tapos na.
Yeah.
May ganun. Pero, deep in your heart, parang alam mo pa rin na,
May
parang,
something.
bakit di ko siya nakakalimutan?
Still thinking about
Oo,
him.
ganun. But I need to surrender.
Yes.
Ganyan.
Siyempre,
So,
God first.
Yes, of course, God first. Yung talagang obeying the Lord.
Yeah.
Yung surrendering completely kay God. And then, around September, nag-enroll ako sa SOFA, School of Fashion and Arts. Nag-aral ako as a makeup artist naman. Nung pagka-enroll ko, siguro a week after, I bumped into him sa school. Yun pala,
Sa SOFA?
nag-enroll din siya.
Oh my
For?
gosh, for what?
Nagre-review siya for interior design.
Oh, wow.
Magla-license siya. So, tapos yun, hindi namin alam parehas na nag-enroll kami doon sa school na yun. So,
the
parang,
same time.
Oo, so parang alam mo yun, uy.
Is this right?
Uy, ano ba?
God.
Teka lang.
Ito ba yun? No, and then, pero yun rin yung time na nakuha ko sa MasterChef. Tinawagan ako ng MasterChef that I got in, ganyan. So, nawala ulit yung yung communication. Tapos nung na-eliminate ako, nung tapos na yung show, parang magpapasundo na dapat ako kay Papa. Pero sa kanya ako nagpasundo.
Ay.
Oo. Sa kanya ako nagpasundo.
Okay.
Sabi ko,
Bakit po? Ano yung thought process?
alam mo, hindi ko na maalala, pero I don't know. Hindi pala. Sabi pala niya sa akin, pag hindi ka nanalo dyan, pakasalan mo na ako. Ganon. Ganon siya. Ganon siya. Yung hindi siya nang ligaw, but he was, parang alam mong he's just there. So, nung natanggal ako, tinawagan ko siya. Tapos sabi niya ganon, what happened? Tapos ako, so ito, pwede mo ba akong sunduin? Tapos sabi niya, yeah, oo. Sabi niya ganon, sunduin kita. Tapos nung pagkasundo niya sa akin, sabi niya ganon, so papakasalan mo na ako. Sabi niya.
My gosh, parang movie, tita.
So, papakasalan. Si John, sobra akong thankful that he was so sure of me. Yun yung alam ko. Yun yung talagang grabe. Yun yung parati kong sinasabi sa mga pamangkin ko. Find someone like him. Yung, that his love is so sure.
Yeah.
Yung ganon. So, anyway, since syempre hindi ako sumagot, pakipot pa ako, diba? Parang sa akin, wait lang.
Ayoko nga.
Pursue mo ako ng konti ulit, ganyan. Pero that was November. At ng December na, nag-propose na siya ulit. Nag-propose na siya ulit. Tapos, I said yes. And then after 4 months, we were, planning for a big wedding for December 2013. Nag-down payment pa kami sa malaking venue. A week before his birthday, nag-change yung heart ko. Parang, I wanted to get married na. And parang sa akin, sige, let's get married na.
Wow.
Ganon. So, 1 week before, I told him, gift ko sa'yo, magpakasal na tayo sa birthday mo. Ganon. Tapos parang siya, ha? Sigurado ka ba? Wait, paano yung mga down payment natin? For feet, Tapos ako, kung okay lang sa'yo. Oo naman. Ganyan siya. So, yun. 1 week preparation. It was a very intimate and simple wedding, but it was so beautiful. We invited our families, tapos yung best friends ko lang, best friends niya. It was beautiful. Yun yung ano namin, yung love story namin.
What was your marriage like, Tita? You guys were married for 10 years?
10 years, yeah. It wasn't perfect. Our marriage was not perfect, but I would say I was so blessed to experience a love like that. Yung everyday, you know that this person loves me and will do everything and anything for me. Alam mo yun, yung talagang will give his all. Never ko denout yung love niya. I was so secured of his love.
Wow.
Ganon. No matter how difficult or how bad the situation is between us. Yung, syempre, magkaiba kami.
Yeah.
There's this polishing season sa mag-asawa. When you're adjusting, pinapolish ka ni God dyan polishing season yun It was difficult, pero never kong question kung mahal ba talaga ako na itong tao na to. And it's because I know he loves the Lord more than me. Yun yung
That's the standard
That's
talaga.
it. Yeah.
Definitely. Talaga.
Talaga. Yun
Yung
lang.
dapat
yeah.
talaga mas mahal, pinakamahal si God.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what they say nga. Like, if God is his king, then he'll treat you like a princess. Because that's what
Ay,
you are.
grabe. As in.
Princess ka talaga, tita.
Oh. I mean, he treated me like you're my queen. Yung
Aw,
ganyan.
In what ways would he show you that?
Very sweet kasi siya So, talagang hindi yan aalis ng hindi mag-hug, magkikiss. Or pag hindi man ako gising, maggagawa yan ng video message na, I'm here na sa office, dear, good morning. I love you. Ganyan.
Cute.
Magvi-video, as in video, video niya yung sarili niya. And then, send niya yun sa akin bago siya maging busy. Ganon siya. And then, pag alam niyang may gusto ako na food, automatic na yan. Pag uwi niya, andyan yan. Ganyan. 6 p.m., nasa bahay na yan. Latest niyan, bago mag-7, nasa bahay na siya. And every day yun. Ganon siya. He wouldn't do anything very extravagant. But you know, the little things, alam mo, he's doing it because he wants to make me happy.
Yeah.
Little things talaga.
Cute, tita.
Yeah, like for example, I need something from the groceries. Pag alam niyang pagod na ako, kahit pagod siya, okay dear, anong kailangan mo? Ganon siya. Very mindful, very thoughtful.
Yeah.
Yeah,
At
he's-
least may collection ka po, tita, ng mga videos
Oh,
niya.
I
no?
have a lot. I have a lot. I
Aw,
have a lot.
that's
And
so sweet.
ano talaga yon, it helped me in so many ways,
Yeah.
yung videos na yun. Talagang parang buhay siya. Nandyan siya.
You were married po for 10 years.
10
At
years.
which point po did he get diagnosed?
Before our 10th.
Before your
Oh,
10th?
wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was that like?
Sorry, December 2022, he was diagnosed
With,
kidney cancer. Yeah.
how did you guys find out po? Like, were there any signs? Na,
Alam mo, no.
no
Wala
talaga.
ngang major sign Parang, there was this one time he said, parang there's something wrong with my urine. Yun lang yung sinabi niya. Ano yun, parang months after, parang sabi niya, may back pain ako. So, I think yun yung mga signs, no? Pero, hindi kasi siya, yung, hindi siya urgent at saka hindi siya frequent. And then, until parang kailangan nila ng medical record for work, doon lang nakita na anemic siya. And then, my niece, who happens to be a doctor, told me, sabi niya, tita, dapat hindi nagiging anemic ang lalaki. So, you need to,
really?
oo.
Okay.
So, kailangan mo na talaga siyang ipacheck na to. Medyo urgent to. We decided na, sige, mag-ano ka na, yung talagang full body checkup, oo. So, nagpa-admit kami, kasi may gout siya, so nahihirapan siyang maglakad. So, in-admit kami. And then, finally, parang sabi ng doctor, sabi niya, oh, you're okay. Everything's okay. Sabi niya, but before you go, pa-x-ray ka na sa upper body. Tapos parang siya, okay lang, doc. Pagbalik ko na lang, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, para lahat na. Kasi yan na lang yung hindi mo ginawa pagka after the x-ray, they saw that there's this big mass sa
Oh no.
kidney niya, and then meron na rin sa liver niya, sa lungs niya.
Oh no.
So, at that time, hindi pa sinasabi ng doctor na cancer. The next day, doon na kinonfirm na parang it's malignant, you're at stage 4.
Stage
Oh my
4 na
gosh.
agad.
Oo.
Wow.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Parang hindi totoo.
Opo.
Ganun yung
I'm
feeling ko.
sure.
Ano, parang, no,
Mhm.
this is not happening. Ganun yung,
What did that do to your faith po? Because I know you guys bond over, your
Yeah.
faith in the Lord. Did that shake your faith at all?
alam mo, parang hindi ko maalala na ganyan at during that time,
Mm-mm.
parang hindi ko maalala na inano ko si God, question ko si God at that time. Parang no Lord, I know nothing is impossible. Kayang-kaya mo pagalingin yung asawa ko anytime. Yan. So, nung time na yun, ganun pa. Tinanong siya ng doctor, so how are you? How are you taking this? Ganyan. Sabi niya sa doctor, win-win naman ako, doc eh. Sabi niya. And then the doctor said, win-win? Nagtanong na, bakit ka win-win? Tapos sabi niya, kasi doc, sabi niya, if I win this battle here on earth, the Lord permits me to makakasama ko pa yung pamilya ko. Sabi niya, and sino bang hindi gustong makasama yung pamilya, diba? Sabi niya ganon. But if it's my time already, if the Lord is calling me back home, wala rin namang mas masarap pa dun, diba? Sabi niya yung makasama mo na si Jesus. Ganon siya. Parang feeling ng doctor, in denial siya. Ako kasi, I know my husband diba? So, hindi niya na parang, yun talaga yung faith niya.
Yes.
Diba? Na yun talaga yung heart niya.
Opo.
From the very start, up to the last breath, alam ko na hindi nag-waver yung faith ni John. One time, we were in the hospital, I was crying na, I was really crying so hard. Kasi, grabe na yung nakikita ko na, alam mo yun, sobra siyang bloated, edema niya, grabe na. Lord, totoo ba? Totoo ka ba? Alam mo yun, I was crying. I was beside him. Bakit parang wala namang nakakarinig sa prayer natin? Parang hindi naman totoo. Ako to And siya na nahihirapan huminga, going through so much pain talaga. Sabi niya, dear, please whatever happens, never question the Lord. Wag na wag ka rin magagalit sa Kanya. Sabi niya, please promise me that. So ako parang, alam mo yun, parang, alam mo yun, kasi parang, ako nahihirapan, but I'm sure mas grabe pa yung nararamdaman niya. And yet, ganun yung heart niya, ganun yung faith niya. Yung mga friends ko, parang naglolokohan sila. Kasi they know John, diba? So, punta sila ng wake, and then, parang sasabihin nila, uy, wag ka kasi masyadong mabait. Yan sila.
Oh my gosh, kinuha ko talaga.
Ganun silang kalokohan. But grabe yung faith ni John. Talagang, I admire him talaga sa love and faith niya kay God. And how he led me and Justy when he was still with us.
And even after, no? I mean, his faith,
Yes.
I'm sure, still carries you to
Yeah.
this day.
Yes.
How are you? How have you healed since?
How am I? I think this year, I would say I'm better. It was not, easy.
Sure.
It's still not easy.
Of
No,
course.
losing him, talagang, it's like I lost everything. Yung feeling ko, actually, when the Lord took him, I felt like I was robbed. Alam mo yun, yung parang everything was taken away from me and my son. Ang hirap.
Yeah.
It's really difficult. But God is gracious talaga Alam mo yun, I trust Him that He has a plan for me and Justy. And I think yun talaga rin yung na-impart ni John sa amin na, dear, whatever happens keep your faith strong in the Lord. Kasi
Galing.
si God lang naman yung makakasama mo at makakatulong sa'yo
Yes.
Siguro if hindi ko kinikilala si God, I don't know talaga kung nasan ako ngayon. It is talagang because of the Lord's grace that I'm able to move forward, to continue, and to hope, to continuously hope.
Yes.
Yun.
Oh, God really showed himself to you through Tito John.
Yes,
And even
sobra,
afterwards. Yeah.
sobra
It's so
talaga.
amazing, Tita. He has such admirable faith, and we can evidently see that it was passed on to you, and you
Yeah.
really inspired
Yeah.
him.
Yeah,
Parang
kasi
hindi siya totoo, no?
totoo. Alam mo, parang gusto ko sabihin, hindi ako strong. But because grabe yung grace ni God, grabe yung pagmamahal ni God, grabe yung help ni God sa buhay namin, nakakaya ko.
I'm sure there were moments that you felt like, yun nga, like, why, Lord, why would you do this to me? Or how can I get through this? What did you do in those moments? How did you navigate?
I think I can say that I'm so rich with friends and yung pagmamahal ng family and friends. Doon ako sobrang blessed. Doon ako sobrang shower ni God ng pagmamahal, ng lahat ng support through my family and my friends. My best friend, I can't imagine life without her. Yeah. During the first month na nawala si John, she took me in. Basta ginawa lang niya, hinayaan niya lang ako mag-grieve. Inintroduce niya ang K-drama sa akin. She was just there. And then pag iiyak ako, tatabi lang siya sa akin. She won't say anything. Ano yung best friend ko na yun eh. Hindi siya madaldal katulad ko. But alam mo yung just sitting beside me.
That does so much already.
Doon ako na
Oh,
Yeah. I'm so blessed to have her and my family. Yung family ko, alam ko na they were there praying for me. I couldn't go sa family ko at that time because sobrang close si John sa family ko eh. Naalala ko si John.
Masakit.
Oh,
Masakit
yeah.
And yung family
Yeah.
din niya. John would always give me that me time with my best friend. So, as in, naging mommy din siya sa anak ko. Ganyan. Tapos, I also have, ito yung mga closest friends ko din sa, besties ko din sa church na, talagang every Sunday, they would go to my place, stay with me, cry with me, ganyan. Isa ring instrument ni God for me to go through my grieving process nung time na yun.
Community.
Community, yeah.
For those who are going through something similar to you, Tita, what would you advise them? They're questioning the Lord or they feel like they can't even get out of their beds.
Marami akong moments na ganyan. But I always go back to
We're crying with you.
God
Tita.
is so good.
yeah.
He is all we need. And He's always there. He sees you. He hears you. So, isang tawag mo lang, tutulungan ka niya. May mga moments ako na, pwede bang umiyak lang buong araw, Lord? Yung ganyan. And I think that's okay. Yeah. But you need to go back to, the Lord is with me. He has a better plan for me. And He will never leave me nor forsake me. Meron akong life verse na I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. That's Philippians 4:13. So, yun yung pinanghahawakan ko.
It all
So,
goes back to God talaga.
Yes. Wala talagang iba.
Yes.
Wala talaga.
Siya lang yung may infinite na supply
Yes.
of all these
At hindi
things.
mapapagod sa'yo, no matter what. Alam mo yun, kahit magalit ka pa, kahit ano pang sabihin mo, He will love you. Alam mo yun, He will just listen to you. And He will help you.
I
Yeah.
admire people like you, Tita, who have such strong faith. As
By
in,
God's grace.
It's parang easier said than done siya, I
For
think.
sure.
What a gift Tito John's life is. That even his faith overflows and your faith
Yeah.
overflows. And I'm sure it's being passed on to your son,
Yeah.
Justy, who is so good.
Talented and so cute.
How is your relationship now with your son like? And how is life with him as fellow artists also,
Yeah.
diba?
Ay, nako, he's my business partner. No, but of course, I do not oblige him, no. My goal is to just allow him to express himself, to enjoy art. To him, kasi talagang artist life.
Yeah.
Yun siya eh. Artist life talaga sa kanya eh. I'm really blessed to have him. We're very open. Our communication is very open. Talagang pag masama loob niya sa akin, he can say that. You know,
Oh, that's so
Mommy,
good.
I felt
amazing.
bad a while ago. Why did you have to say this in front of them?
Oh,
May mga,
wow.
I hope you won't share this next time. May mga ganun siya.
Very mature.
Yeah. And then, meron din kaming time at night na we ask each other, how are you? How have you been? Ganyan. Is there any sin that you think you did and you're not sharing it to me? Ganyan. Of course, he wouldn't share it. Diba? And talagang confession ha, with matching crying, ano pa siya, boy stuff confession.
At least he
Yeah.
knows you're a safe space.
Yeah, I always remind him that there's no one else who will love you like I do.
Kids only mimic their parents, and I'm sure that he saw that in Tito John
I
and you.
by God's grace, I
Yeah.
hope so, yeah. He's also very passionate like his dad. And he's also very generous in sharing his skills sa art. Ganyan. So,
Cute. And his
Wow.
artist in Artefino, tama ba?
yeah, na-invite na siya to be one of
Galing!
Yeah.
Amazing.
youngest daw siya artist na na-invite sa
Wow.
Artefino through Paperbound. So,
Galing!
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's what happens when I think a child is nurtured talaga and is in a safe
nako,
space.
by God's grace. I really hope.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think your son is so lucky to have a mom like you.
Oh,
I think
thank
in
you.
many ways, I mean, as a child losing his father, that's already such a big impact in his life. But I think it's amazing that God put you in Justy's life to also help mend that heart of his. And I know this might be a little outdated, but happy Mother's Day, Tita.
Thank
I
you.
think
Happy Mother's Day.
yeah, this
Thank
story is
you.
very inspiring and it's really touched all of our hearts.
Yeah.
I've been trying to hold it
I've
together.
been trying not to
this whole
cry.
time.
Oh, my.
Your story of healing or the journey of getting healed,
Yeah.
it's also so hopeful. And after everything
I'm
that
still
you've-
there.
Yeah.
Of course, it's
Yeah.
still
It's
a
a
journey. Yeah, it's not linear.
It's really more of learning to live with the pain eh. Yung learning to live with it. Me and Justy, this pain that we have in our hearts. Parang alam naman namin that we will be all right.
Aw.
Yeah. Ngayon, na ako doon? Hopeful ako na, my story is still not over. There's a new season coming also. Diba? Yung parang ganyan. And I'm excited din sa namin. Ito, sa sa ginagawa ko sa art.
That's so exciting,
Tita, I have
Yeah,
a question.
thank you.
As
Yeah.
somebody who is a Disney princess, who had a Disney prince and is also a mother, what would you advise people to look for in a partner?
Number one, he should really be someone who loves the Lord above all. Yun naman sinabi ko kanina. Number two, find someone who can look at you in the eye and you will get this feeling na, grabe, this man is so sure of me. Parang basta sabi ni John, you know what, when I saw you, dear, feeling ko para akong si Adam. Nung nakita niya si Eve, wow man. Yung parang may wow daw siya. So, alam mo yan, yung find someone who's so sure of you.
No
tal-
space for questions.
Yeah.
Yeah, not at all. Yung talagang alam mo na, oh man, his love is pure and his love is so sure of you.
Taking notes. Everyone take notes. Thank you so much, Tita. Now, this is
Yes.
a question that we ask all of our guests at the end of our episodes. What fuels your soul?
Scriptures and art. Yun, talaga. And of course, being a mother. Diba?
Happy Mother's Day again, Tita.
Yeah, thank you.
I hope you enjoy the rest of the month since it's
Yes.
Justy's 11th birthday. Grabe.
He's turning
Happy
11, May
birthday,
29.
But I'm excited for the next seasons for you, Tita.
Yeah, there's so
Yeah,
much
yeah,
more
yeah.
to come, Tita.
Amen, by God's grace. Hi, I'm Con. This has been the Soul Podcast. See you next week.